An urgent call for help from the federal government as hospitals across the country deal with the rise in respiratory illnesses among children. Ivan Rodriguez reports on the healthcare system's plea to lawmakers. He's live in Atlanta, Georgia. Ivan.
Mika, in the middle of a surge of respiratory illnesses, some over-the-counter children's medications are becoming increasingly hard to find, specifically children's painkillers.
It's a nightmare for thousands and thousands and thousands.
As children suffer from a surge in respiratory illnesses across the nation and parents face hospitals pushed to the brink, Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer is calling on the federal government to step in and help.
I've known people whose babies, only a few months old, are spending more than a week in the hospital because the babies are suffering from collapsed lungs and needed oxygen assistance to breathe. Their parents keep vigil next to the hospital bed. They don't go to sleep because they're worried their child will stop breathing and they'll miss it.
In a letter obtained exclusively by CNN, the United States Health and Human Services Secretary tells governors around the country that the Biden administration stands ready to continue assisting you with resources, supplies, and personnel.
HHS has the authority. We've given them that.
Now, as pediatric hospital beds are in short supply, so are pain medicines like children's acetaminophen and ibuprofen. Johnson & Johnson saying in a statement they are experiencing high demand and are running production sites 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to maximize production capacity. The availability of children's painkillers first started dropping in June, made a recovery early fall, and then dipped again in November. Mika?
And Ivan, before we let you go, we heard that Johnson & Johnson says children's ibuprofen might not be in stock. Are there any other options?
Well, one product that they did want to make clear in a statement that they released that they're not seeing an overall shortage in is both children's Tylenol and also children's Motrin. So just a small silver lining really for parents, like you mentioned, trying to look for children's ibuprofen and also acetaminophen.
All right, Ivan Rodriguez in Atlanta, Georgia tonight. Thank you so much.